Today's topic is to remove the empty strings from the list of the strings. There are three methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method 1, that is a basic approach, and the method 2 by using the join and the split function, and the method 3 by using a filter function. Let's start from the first method, that is a basic approach. So first we are going to initialize our list of the strings in which there are going to be the few empty strings. We are going to use the list comprehension in which we are going to go through each and every element of our list. And after that we have set an if condition that if I tends to be a string, that is if the I is a string, then and only then we are printing that I into the list number 2 variable, and after that we have them as an output. So if there is a string which is an empty, though it will not going to be get stored into the list number 2 since we have an if condition over here.